Thank you, everyone, for joining us in an ongoing video series on the e-Jewelry application on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, presented by Business Computing. Today, I will be showing you the repair job notification functionality. So, the scenario is a retailer receives a repair order. They create a repair job, add items and resources to job components, and post the job order, and then the customer receives the notification that a repair job is being completed. To start with, first, we'll go ahead and create a sales order for the repair job. So, we will click on Sales Order. Click on New. We will choose the customer. We'll change the item type to resource. Select Repair as the resource. Here, we have considered it's £100. You can also change the repair cost. We will make that £200. We will go ahead and create a repair job. Do you want to create? Yes. Here, we will choose the item. Okay. Here, a repair job is created. We have an item. We have a resource. We can go ahead and increase the item, if you want. Update the cost. Here. When you post this job, you get an alert notification that, do you want to send the email notification to the customer? Click Yes. Done. Email notification is sent. So, once the customer is at the store, you can go ahead and collect the payment and you can close this. Thank you, again, for joining us today. Please visit Business Computing website at e-jewelry365.com for more information on e-Jewelry application on Business Central. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.